Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. And after our vlog guys, ano na magsaba ang mga tao guys. Mananikaon guys. Na among sudan guys, wala na, hirap na. Hirap among sudan guys. Nurot na dyan ang among sudan guys. Mauna ni siya guys ang mahitabo after lunch. Ang mga tao nangahuman nang uli na. Muna si Madam Karaan, muna si Madam Karaan, muna si Nanti, ayaw call, ani, si Richard Sharon. One, two, ready. Ikaw na? Look guys, mo ni among dirty kitchen mo ni among canteen guys. I mean, this is the owner guys, oh. Si Mrs. Karaan. Mo ni siya ang kitchen guys. Yeah. This is my sister guys. Mo ni among speaker karon guys. Hey guys, si Ate Igay, hi! Guys, this is Kuya Pauli guys. Yes guys. Hello guys, this is my sister guys. Our speaker for this hour. Yes, thank you guys for watching guys. Bye.